Okay, I'm about 5-6 feet away. Decibel reading was 67, and it's on high power 10, setting 10. Okay, now I put it down to setting 3, and it's running at 62 decibel. And now it's at setting 1, running at 59 dB. 59. Okay, so I'm at the highest setting 10, and I got the new muffler on, and I'm showing 63 decibels. That's pretty good. Okay, now I'm at setting 3, and it went from 63 down to 59 dB. 59. Okay, it went down from 59 to 57 on the setting number 1, which is the lowest setting on the Hcalory heater. So we're down to 57. Okay, here's the new muffler. It's nice. Definitely an improvement. Worth $29.